Hello, welcome to Lesson 2, Organizing Activities, Seesaw Collections. Come on in. Well, in the topics to be discussed, we have what are collections in Seesaw? Why use collections to organize activities? How to create an activity collection and how to add an activity to a collection. First, let's talk about what are collections in Seesaw. Well, collections is the teacher's folder side of Seesaw. Think of it that way. It is a simple way to organize your saved and customized activities. For example, here you have a math collection. All of these activities are math related and they are grouped together. So, why use collections to organize? You might be asking yourself. Well, when they are not organized, this is what you get: a disorganized, mixed subjects, hodgepodge of activities. Here you see letter activities, art activities, math activities. Just looking at this gives me anxiety. But when you organize by collections, take a look at this. Things are orderly and by subject. For example, here we have a collection by letters. And let's look again at the math collection. They are separated, they are sorted and grouped and organized. Now, how to create an activity collection? Are you ready for this? Well, let me show you. Let's go to my class. Ready? Welcome to my Seesaw class. Through my class, I want to show you how to create a collection. Think back a little. Remember, you can think of a collection as the teacher's folder side. So let's get started. First, go to the plus green button. Then go to Assign Activity. That is going to give you access to your activity library, which is where you are going to be creating your collection. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you are going to find a space that says Create a new collection to organize your activities. You're there right here. So I want you to take a look. We have letters, we have math, and we have stories. These three are collections that have already been made. Let's add a new collection. Here we go. You click on it and you create it by typing in a title. What do you think of science? You write it in and then you click create. So there, do you see it right here? We've created a new collection. Now, you can even customize this collection by clicking on it. Click on it and you see, you go to the three dots on your right-hand side and you click on them and we can edit to customize it. Here we can edit the name. We can add a description and we can even change the color. Once you're done making your decisions, you click the check mark and you are set. You have just created a collection. All right, we are back. How did you like that? I think I give it an A+. Now let's go on. The next topic is add an activity to a collection. Are you ready to see it again? I'm ready to show you. Let's go back to my class. All right. So last time we added a collection to help us organize our activities. This time we're going to add an activity. We're going to put it into a collection, right? So let's go back to the add button, add green button on the top of the page. And then you're going to select assign activity. When you do this, it takes you to the activity library. Then proceed to your library. And here you have activities. You see the science activity. What do plants need? Sort and say. You have letter activities, number activities. You have books. All right. So go ahead and scroll all the way down. And oh no, you see this? It says activities not in a collection. So everything else is organized except for this one. Let's click on it and place it in the right place. Ready? Okay, so it is a science activity. In order to put it in a collection, you are going to click on the activity, and then you find the three dots on the bottom right-hand side of the activity. Click on it. Let's scroll down a little bit more so we can see the menu. And here, voila, you see that? Add to collection. You have different options. You have different choices of things that you can do, but this is our focus right now. Add to collection. And look at this. These are the ones that have been created so far. We want to place this activity within the science collection. There we go. And now it is. Let's view it. There it is. Our science activity is inside the science collection. Great job. Let's go back to the rest of our video. How did you like that? That was easy, right? What about another A+? I'll take that. Now let's recap our learning. We discussed 4 topics. We talked about what a collection is. What are collections? Simply put, ways to organize our activities within our class by subject or topic. We talked about why use collections to organize activities, and we saw 2 examples, what it looks like when you don't and what it does. We also went step by step on how to create an activity collection, and you got to see it through my class. And finally, we learned how to add an activity to a collection, and sometimes it happens. We add an activity, we forget to put it in a collection, and it's floating around, and then we helped it find its spot within a collection. Thank you so much for watching.